Okay guys, just want to do a quick review on this WEN sliding miter saw that I bought. It's a double bevel, compound miter, sliding, and it's got zero clearance so I can push it right up against the wall. Now I've always wanted one of them because of the space, and I never really bought one before because of the price of them. Normally somewhere in the region of $700 upwards, whereas this one, for the price of it, I just snapped it up. It's got a 12-inch blade on it. It's still got the original WEN blade on as well. People always say take them off as soon as you buy them and put a decent blade on. I personally have had no problems with this blade at all at the moment. And I've had it for about 4 or 5 months now, I think. The only complaints I've got about it is this clamp here that you see. Now I love this clamp, I use it all the time, but it does feel a little bit on the flimsy side, so whether it's going to stand the test of time or not, I don't know. The only other complaints I've got is the spring for the up and down. When I've got my dust extraction connected, sometimes it won't spring all the way back up, leaving a little bit of the blade exposed, which I don't really like, but I'm well aware of it, so I'm always careful around it. When I haven't got the dust extraction connected, it's not a problem at all. But as I say, I love the machine, it's great. The only other thing it did is when I was putting the dust extraction on, I had to take the carrying handle off because it was you could get it on, but it'd be a fight. So I'm not going to use it, I'm not carrying it around, so I just took it off and I'll leave it there. Apart from that, there's not much else I can say really. There you go.